We are back with another video. So we are going to do some Cheeto Flamin' Hot Puffs, and we're actually going to put them on inside some flour, and we're going to fry lemon puffs inside of here. I'm going to take the cheese puffs that actually grinded up nice and good. Look how that came out, just like powder. So it came out just like powder. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to take this and put it over inside the flour. We're just going to mix it up really good. Now this is how the flour and the Flaming Hot Puffs actually look, how it actually looks. So now I got this little tray because we're gonna take our time and coat it to make sure that it's evenly coated with the flour. Once we are finished with it being coated, I'm going to go ahead and flip it in here twice. I'm going to put it on this tray. So we're just going to make sure that the flour and stuff is nice and even. So the pork steaks and the center pork chops are looking. So I'm just going to put one down at a time because these are nice and big. So this is how it's looking, and it's going down. All right, you guys, this is the fourth one about to go down. Alright, you guys, look at that. It's still nice and red. Yes, it is. Now I had that frying for 5 minutes. This is the second one. Alright. Look at that. Alright, so we are down to our last 3 pork steaks that I covered in the Flamin' Cheeto Puffs and some flour. I mean, it's going good. Scrumptious. Look at that. Look at that. See that? And you can look at it and see it's still nice and moist. Turn that over, yes. Alright, you guys, so we just finished the Cheeto Flaming Puffs that we actually crumbled up in the machine, and we put it in the flour, and we put it in the pork steak. So this is how the pork steaks is actually looking. I got my Moto Goya, and this one is made with the classic sugar cane, so this is new. Can't wait till I crack open and open that. But I just wanted to show you guys the moisture that was still inside and how crispy and crunchy it is still. Like, you just can't get over it. So this is my own personal pork steak. These are the end results of the pork steak. And if nobody told you they love you, just remember God loves you each and every day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, I thank all of my friends, Facebook, and YouTube friends and family for actually attending another episode of Rena Mae's Kitchen. Be blessed, you guys. Today's inspirational quote is, "But the fruits of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, and faithfulness." Galatians chapter 5, verse 22. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.